Welcome back to my channel. We're going to carry on from where we left off last time, and we had this workflow loaded or completed, doing it, checking how realistic some models are. Let's run this and see how it goes. Oh, it's quick. Maybe because I already ran it and in the background. Excuse me. Okay, so we have two LoRa's loaded. But I didn't want this one to run. There's no way of disabling it. Way. I did find something quite handy. What it is, go to node. So we're going to go into the comfy role, LoRA, do CR, which stands for comfy role. Apply LoRA stack, add that here. Go again, add node, comfy role, LoRA, LoRA stack. So we've got SDXL, high detail V5 tensors. Find that SDXL, high detail V5 tensors. Detailed eyes. Find that. There, detailed eyes. Also, might want to get a dark skin concept version too. So this stack goes into here. This model goes into here. Clip goes into this. So now we've got this. What we need to do now, got our clips. Clip joined here. Joined here. Model joined here. This is now redundant. So instead of one box for each LoRa, we've got one box for 3 LoRa's. And if we want, add another stack here, going on to that, add more LoRa's. Say, for example, Mary Morgan, add detail, more detail. Enable each LoRa at a time, or all of them at the same time. See. Now, if we go to arrange float left, arrange float right, two LoRa's here. The LoRa's all in an area there. That's the picture we got. To change this to where's the 1280 720 16 by 9. Upscale we can so let's run this and see what happens. Now we've got two random women, which is not what we wanted. That's the thing when you put widescreen, does this for some. If we change it back to 512 by 512, it should go back to here. Edge, scale by 4 times. Not very good looking. Too rough. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this. That's 720 by 720. See what happens. Got one person. Is that the same person as originally? Maybe. Quality might be a bit better. We don't know yet. That is old for a 58-year-old. Actually, the quality looks pretty decent compared to that one. Maybe not. Done. And open image. That's a lot of roughness. Hair all over the place. Don't need. Okay. So what do we need to do? We go to our LoRa. We've got too many LoRas loaded up. Let's disable this one. Run it again. We've got too many details up. Once you have too many details, it really messes things. This looks. I think this looks a lot better. I won't know till it loads up. No, maybe not. That's too cartoony. Okay. Change the. Disable these LoRa's off. Off. Run this again. We had these two. Or here we go. Go back to our original image, leave with the dark skin concept. Or what that does. We did have a few settings changed because and okay, this doesn't look too bad. It's a bit too, I don't know, weird. Okay, so that's how we loaded loads of LoRa's here. Add, turn them on and off. We feel like change them. And the other thing is, we could have two the same LoRa's with different weights. If we do this, what if we? All we did was change one to eyes. Now we need to check. Eyes look a bit hairy. You know what I mean? What happens if I disable this detailed eyes and use the one detail? It's the same image. Any different? Okay, so got the LoRa's loaded. We've got models here. Uh, upscalers. Load upscale. The model used. We want to change that to comfy roll scale by upscale. Okay. Add node comfy roll scale stack. Now we can have multiple upscalers running at the same time, each one doing different things. So get rid of this one. Connect this one to here, this image to there, image to there. Okay, now the thing I like about this one is, for example, I'm selecting a 4 times upscale, 4 times ultra sharp. So our image is 720 by 720. 4 times 720 is 4 times 720 equals 2880. 4 times 720 is 2880. What we're going to do, we're going to run this. Going to use the 4 times ultra sharp. Need to disable this. So this should be 4 times 2880, but it's 1440. Why? Because here we've got a setting of 2. We change that to 4 times the empty latent image here. What we basically taking this upscaling model, applying this value to this 4 times. So that once we open this image, that is loaded longer because well 2880 old one is full. Do we see any difference? Okay, now we can stack scalars. For example, on this one, add 4 times super scale. Change that to 2 times. Run both upscalers. Let's see if there are any extra artifacts. Might take a bit longer, but the superscale SB 17000G quite hefty. Okay, so image is still 2 times. This one is 4 times. I do not see any difference. Like going all the way back in. You can also stack your upscalers, turn them up here, stack, choose say different upscalers, enable whichever one you need. They do change anything more than one. Got to remember that this is the factor it's going to use, not the one on that model. So we've got upscalers using stacks, LoRAs. Now we're going to do the same with the models. First things to do is control, where is it? Model merge stack. So we've got Epic Realism Natural Sin RC1V8. That one. Epic Realism. There's that one. And then you got S Bulka Random. Bulka Random. Find S Bulka Random. Random. Used 0.9. Model ratio is 0.9. 0.9. Where before everything had 0.9. This and this. We can define which one we want. One. Also need node. ComfyUI. Keep losing it. ComfyUI. Model merge. Apply model merge. So we're going to attach the stack to this. We're going to keep the simple checkpoint. Rid of this one. And this to this. Flip to this. Go to this. Flip to this. Got to attach the VAE there. Let me attach it to there. I'm going to attach the. Oh, we're going to change this. Configure VAE. Merge. No, it's not in model merge. It might be in utils. Was it? Forgot which one it was. It's in loaders. Load VAE. So instead of VAE here, use a VAE here. I'm going to change it to this. It pays SD. This. That should work. This needs this. I attach this. this. What's going on? I click on something. Okay, so this one, difference. Now, did I need to have this? Okay, let's do this. Error there. Do need to have load VAE. So we've got this. We've got the models here. So here you can apply loads of different models at the same time. Say beautiful realistic. This one at 0.5. Turn this off. Off. And orgasm, that might not work with others. You're going to do trial and error and see which works with Juggernaut. On that, 0.9, yeah, that's fine. Run this. What happens? At the running and CI apply model merge, so it's making all these models into a completely new model. And applying that to prompts set to the case sample. So this might take a while. Okay, checkpoint save. LoRA. Here we go in the case sampler. Doing something there. That looks scary. Okay, so we applied this. Supposed to be this. What's happening? That doesn't look realistic. But one of these models is doing the wrong thing. Turn off. Try again. That don't look nothing like that. That one of these models is weird. There you go. Knew it was that. So like, I change it to something. The one I usually epic realism. So we got this. Put this. Need to. That looks a bit more. Oh, but two. Try it one more time with that realism. See what we get. It's running in CI apply model merge. Checkpoint save. Go to LoRA next. Prompts. Get the real time, which does slow things down a bit. It's handy knowing what's going on. Upscale. Remove this upscale because I don't need it. And there you go. So we've got this one. Slight detail change. Eyes look funky. By fixing the eyes. Need to detailed eyes. Change this to weight. Off. Turn that off. I still look a bit off. Need to figure that out. Looks a bit too fakey. Anyway, this comfy roll does actually simplify things a bit. Look to the right, look to the left. See what it looks like. Got upscale here. Doesn't always put it out way. Well, there, there. I don't know why it does. There, there. This should be up here. Okay. So, place. Zoom in. Yeah. Hold on. Move this there. Yeah. Goes there. That can go there. Move this away. There you go. That's our workspace. Got your models all here. LoRa's all here. Got your upscaler here. A sampler there. Move here. I'm gonna research into getting the eyes fixed. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.